Fridays are for customers. Every Friday, each one of us picks a task and tries to ship it to make someone really happy. Let's see what we got up to.
Hey deadcoder, thank you for the bug reports on the API key dialog not being scrollable. I've gone ahead and pushed a fix, so now you can add as many environment variables as you want. And thank you.
Did you know that when you specify the role in a prompt, you can use cache control to control caching with Anthropic models? Well, you can. But as the user Statico pointed out, our linter actually didn't know about this. And if you try to use this feature, you will get an annoying linter warning. We try to make our tooling as helpful as possible, so I patched this bug. And now if you use the cache control parameter, no linter warning. Thank you, Statico.
Hey, firstly, Ben Epstien, I wanted to thank you for reporting this bug where it was taking you forever to get the request API out of baaaml modular API. And what we noticed was even in timeit, this was happening all of the time. It turned out that this was due to a bug in the Vertex API where we weren't actually caching the credentials and we pinged Google every single time to get a new token. I've patched that bug for you since, and now when I run this code, as you can see, getting the mean after the warm-up time is incredibly fast and you should have no more issues. This is going to make life better for everyone else that uses Vertex. Thanks, Ben Epstien.
Hey guys, I want to share an amazing feature that we have today that you can do with Prompt Fiddle. Prompt Fiddle is this playground that we have that you can embed into other websites and blogs. And you can see here a little demo. Here's the playground. You can just hit run and it'll run the baaaml code right in your browser. And so why do we have this? Why? It reduces friction to use baaaml, and it can showcase the capability without us having to do all the work. Let's say somebody else is going and putting this onto their website. The other day, somebody came to us and asks, we have 2,000 Medium followers and we want to write a article and we want to embed a playground directly into their blog post. So today, this is what happens. Prompt preview coming soon. It does not work. Now, it works. Happy baaamling.
So in this video, we're going to take a look at the new APIs added to the type builder because some users have been asking for specific methods like remove property, list properties, and so on, which are not currently available on the type builder. We're going to have the remove property method, which will allow you to remove any property that you've added to an existing class or to a new class in both of them. So as I was saying, we have remove property. We also have list properties, which gives you a key value object of all the properties that you've added so far. And then we have a simple .clear method that basically gets rid of everything you've added, in this case to the user class, right? Same thing for newly added classes. So this will allow you to have some more control over the type builder. It's not just add stuff to it. Now you can actually remove things from it. So it's a little bit more flexible.
I'm excited to announce that we have shipped a new experience, an agentic experience, for navigating and exploring the baaaml documentation called Ask baaaml. This is live today. You can go to docs.boundaryml.com, try it out. You can go and ask it questions like what is an alias, and it'll do exactly what you expect out of an AI search assistant, and it'll give you a customized answer to your query. It'll automatically navigate you to the documentation you're looking for. You can ask it questions like, tell me about the difference between field and block attributes, field and class attributes. It'll return the same answer. It'll automatically send you here. It'll give you a short summary as appropriate for your question. And instant search is still perfectly functioning, so you can search alias, you can search attributes, dynamic, whatever, and you get all the autocomplete, and it still allows you to actually see the documentation if there's something on the page that you're looking for. We really hope you enjoy this. Please do let us know if you run into any issues with this. We are always on the Discord and we are paying constant attention to it. Thanks!
Hello, American Thinker and Andrew D on Discord. First of all, thanks a lot for reporting this bug where you all were not able to set baaaml log using baaaml options and even process.env in the case of TypeScript. I thought I'll record a quick video about how I fixed it and how you actually uncovered a big bug in our logger itself. So jumping straight to the PR, I started up with writing some integration tests, and once I wrote some integration tests, I was able to reproduce the same buggy behavior myself. And then I wrote some unit tests for logger to figure out where to narrow down where the bug was actually. Plot code helped me a lot with this, to write tests and to narrow down the problem. And once I knew where the problem was, I was able to fix it. And the fix basically was to read and update environment variables from the hash map, which is passed from the language runtime to baaaml's runtime. And previously the logger was using stdenv. So now that's all fixed, and I think this is also shipped in the latest release, which is 0.203. And the best part of fixing this bug was actually getting this message from americanthinker here, where they were really happy with the fix. So I hope this helps you. Bye bye.